tax rules have been changing so much.
Hmm.
We've had new tax forms for the last every year for the last 4 or 5 years. We
Yeah.
have tax rules in the middle of a season. Taxpayers really get
Hmm.
the shaft because they can't even plan. They can't utilize the rules. It's frustrating for taxpayers. It's frustrating for professionals as well. So usually when a taxpayer ends up in trouble, something's usually kind of knocked them down. They don't know how
Hmm.
to get up. Nobody talks about this piece. So they may say, hey, who does your taxes? But when it's refund time or tax time, they're silent or they're even just going with the flow
Hmm.
because they don't want anyone to know they hadn't filed a tax return. And that's usually what happens with taxpayers. Something happens, they go to file or prepare the return and they owe a lot of money and they
Yeah.
can't pay it. So they
Hmm.
panic and they don't pay or they
Yeah.
don't file. That's the number one mistake that most taxpayers make is they don't file their tax return.